Friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price change occur in a Reef Finance coin. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3K subscriber. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so kindly I request you please hit the subscribe button right now. If you listen my voice, please don't ignore my voice and please hit the subscribe button and support me. As you can see here now, let's see what's the price change occur in a Reef Finance in the last 1 hour. Let's see the price prediction of Reef. Oh my god, oh my godness. As you can see here, the chart of the Reef. So after a great jump, they start dumping down. It's a very absolutely bad news for all Reef Finance holders. As you can see here, after a great jump, they start dumping, as you can see here. So it's a absolutely big opportunity to sell it and take your profit and go away. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now, and the changes as about in the last 1 hour is approx positive 0.78% occurs in the refinance in the last 1 hour. And the high price of refinance is about $0.04398 is the high price of refinance in the previous last 1 hour. So that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour result of refinance in the cryptocurrency market. Oh my god, oh my godness. As you can see here, after a great dumping, they take a jump and currently they are again in the falls. So it is absolutely clear for all of you that the currently situation of Reef is in the fall. As you can see here, they are in the falls of this position. As you can see here, that is the high position of Reef, and now currently position of Reef as this, as you can see here. So it's also in the falls. As you can see here, the changes as in also in negative 0.71% change occur in the Reef Finance, and the high price of refinance is approx $0.043898 dollar is the high price of refinance in the previous 2 hours. So that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hours. You are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. I will update you every hour by the cryptocurrency market, especially refinance. I will update you every hour. Thank you so much for watching this video.